Today in this video, I am going to discuss various career paths in data science. Data science is a very generic term which is popular among youth. Data science is interchangeably used with business analytics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, etc. Data science is a combination of domain expertise, mathematics, and computer science. You might have come across a term called business analytics, which focuses on solving business problems and helps in making data-driven decisions. There are various job roles in this field, which are business analyst. It is a non-technical role. Business analyst is responsible to understand the business problem and convert it into a data science problem. Business analyst should be able to analyze the problem, chart out an execution plan, communicate and get the consents of both the analytics team and business team, break a big task into smaller tasks and plan discussions to look at final results, document everything that is related to the project. Skills required for this role are fair understanding of technical tools like SQL, Tableau, and Microsoft Office Suite. Business analyst will act as a bridge between the business team and analytics team. A person who loves to take ownership of the whole project and likes to communicate with different teams should be suitable for this role. Data analyst. A data analyst is one who does all the dirty job like gathering data, cleaning it, slicing and dicing. Skill set required are SQL, Tableau, and a good understanding of Python. In smaller teams, data analysts will take care of ad hoc business requests which takes 1 or 2 hours of their time. It's a very important back-end role. A geeky kind of person will be able to excel in this role. Data engineer. Data engineer is someone who manages the data for analytics team. Data engineer works closely with data analyst and helps to get the data in desired form and shape. Skills like SQL, NoSQL, Python and data structures, a good understanding of data anatomy like data types, null value handling, etc. will help. Data engineer also maintains relationship with IT and DB teams of the organization to understand how and where the data is saved. A person who loves to play with data like creating, modifying and deleting tables will love this role. ETL developer. ETL developer and data engineer roles are mostly similar, but some large organizations will have both. Same skill set as a data engineer is required for this role. Data scientist. This term data scientist became popular after a Harvard Business Review article. Data scientist is a limelight role in many organizations. Data scientists work with data analysts and business analysts and plans the modeling activity. Data scientist is the one who does things like feature engineering, check variable correlations, build models, carry iterations till the model becomes stable. Finally, present these results to business team and get approval for deploying their solution in production. Skills required for data scientists are SQL, Python, Tableau, statistics, ML techniques, etc. A person who is smart, get things done, creative, loves to solve problems, quick learner of any technique in any language, who has patience along with enthusiasm in stressful situations will excel in this role. ML Ops Engineer. ML Ops Engineer works closely with data scientists and applied scientists in creating data pipelines and optimizing models to scale. Skills such as SQL, Python, ML techniques and advanced techniques in cloud architecture are required for this role. A very geeky kind of person is suitable for this role. There will be less interaction with internal or external clients. Applied scientist. Applied scientists are expected to productionize models in a scalable way. Things like latency, uptime will be taken into consideration. SQL, Python, ML techniques, software engineering concepts, quality management and advanced cloud architecture are required for this role. Experience also matters to become an applied scientist. A person who is a geek but also can handle business teams simultaneously is the best fit for this role. Big data engineer. When data is exploding at any organization, the need for this role arises. Basically, a big data engineer is expected to handle huge volumes of data using skills such as PySpark, Elasticsearch, etc. Big data engineer is also responsible for uninterrupted input data feed to production reports and models. A person who loves to play with huge amounts of data will love this role. Statistician. Statistician is a kind of research role in an organization where he will show direction to the analytics department and carry out various analysis using advanced statistical techniques specific to the organizations and opportunities we should focus on. As the name suggests, he must have a PhD in statistics. Economist. An economist will focus on macroeconomic indicators and how that impacts the organization as well as how to get these factors into our data science projects. Data science consultant. It's more of a client-facing role in many organizations where you suggest solutions to your clients' problems through in-house ready-made analytics solutions or customized analytics solutions. Skills required for this role are a good understanding of data science concepts and a very good communication and marketing skills. In many companies, all these roles are shared between one or two persons, so be ready to wear multiple hats if you are joining a small organization or startups. If you want to know details about any specific role discussed in this video, let me know in the comment box. If you like my content, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.